Hello everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to log into TED with Facebook account. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to our channel WebTech Tutorials for our everyday helpful web tutorials and videos. Moving on today's topic, we will show you how you can log in to TED Talk with your Facebook account. TED application is also the TED Talk. It is a website where you can share amazing ideas and also learn about the various kinds of education and knowledges from the experts who share the online informations here in TED. So if you want to log into TED with Facebook account, you can definitely do that by watching this video. You can download the TED application from Play Store. Also be logged into your Facebook account while logging in. So after opening the TED app, go to the bottom right corner at My TED icon, then tap on the login button. So you then have to go to the top screen here in login with Facebook, and TED will now ask you to access to your Facebook account for your email address, name and other public info so that you can be logged in with this information in TED. For that you have to now tap on continue as button. Therefore you are successfully logged in with your Facebook username here in TED Talks. Now you can explore the trending topics and informations that are posted here in TED and get more informations and learnings in here. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching our video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel WebTech Tutorials. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon for our notifications in new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can also mention them in the comment section.